5 strategies to make money on LinkedIn. Are you using LinkedIn to its full potential? Beyond networking and resumes, it's a treasure trove for entrepreneurs to grow their income. Ready to find out how to monetize this professional playground? Let's uncover 5 proven strategies to make money using LinkedIn. Sponsored posts are a thriving way to earn on LinkedIn. Brands are looking for professionals with niche audiences to promote their services. You don't need a massive follower count, but authenticity and relevance are key. Entrepreneurs like J.D. Powell have turned partnerships into $40,000 plus opportunities by crafting genuine, impactful posts. Start by defining your area of expertise and growing a community that values your insights. Collaborate thoughtfully and diversify your partnerships. Sponsors value audience trust, which means staying true to your brand while amplifying theirs. Are you skilled in a high-demand area? Packaging your expertise into courses can lead to sustainable income. LinkedIn offers an ideal audience ready for professional growth. For example, Jess Ramos used her platform to offer courses, earning well beyond her corporate salary. Whether you host courses directly or leverage LinkedIn Learning, this passive income stream continues rewarding you long after your course goes live. Focus on providing actionable, valuable knowledge to increase engagement and sales. LinkedIn is where professionals turn for advice, making it perfect for offering coaching or consulting services. Entrepreneurs like Colin Rocker charge $100+ per session by providing targeted one-on-one guidance. To succeed, define your niche and build client trust with testimonials and case studies. Coaching not only boosts income, but strengthens your connections, adding long-term value to your brand. Position yourself as an authority through live events or webinars on LinkedIn. It's a direct way to engage your audience, showcase your expertise, and partner with sponsors to amplify your earnings. Creators like Powell monetize LinkedIn Live episodes while fostering community discussions. Plan and promote your events to maximize attendance. Delivering high-value content in real time keeps you relevant, connects you deeper to your audience, and unlocks brand collaborations. Affiliate marketing works particularly well on LinkedIn for niche audiences. Align product recommendations with your area of expertise to foster trust. By genuinely promoting useful products, you can earn commissions on every sale made through your unique links. Find affiliate opportunities that resonate with your professional focus. Relevance and authenticity are non-negotiable for audience trust, paving the way for recurring income. LinkedIn is a goldmine for entrepreneurs, but success requires more than just showing up. Start transforming your connections and expertise into real earnings. Focus on your strengths, commit to consistent engagement, and experiment with these monetization strategies. So, why wait? Wag por ditlab and make LinkedIn your next income powerhouse. Please give us a thumbs here on Clever Money Ideas channel. Thanks for watching.